What's going on, guys? It's Flames, and today I got a new PlayStation 3 Sony headset. It's a wired headset. It's got surround sound with it. It's a really nice headset. Got it for $70 at GameStop. And here, I'll be right back. I just gotta get this open. This is what it looks like so far. You can see it right. This is what it looks like right here. So you got the surround sound kind of with it. See, 7.1 virtual surround sound with it. It's $70 as you can see right there. Alright guys, here we go. Let's start unboxing this bad boy. Alright, let's go. Sorry, I'm really bad at this. Alright. I'll be right back as soon as I get this undone. Alright guys, I got it back open here. It's like, here's the inside. You can see. Got it open. Slide this bad boy out. Here we are. Here's what it looks like. Nice looking headset with the PlayStation logo right there in the middle. Some cords to hook it up with. Here's part of the headset. As you can see, I'm going to have to cut this out so I can get this through. Be right back. Alright guys, so I got the headset out. What it looks like. Little cord right here. Open this up. So here is the hookup. There's a headset part though.
The what?
Headset part. There's supposed to be like a headset part, isn't there? Yeah, there is. Oh, it's probably hooked in right here. Okay.
Is that Grandma?
Yep.
Hey.
Hold on, as soon as I find this headset part. Guys, found the mic headset part. Folds down right there, see? It's a nice headset part. I like it. Alright, comes with this. I don't know what to do with it. I think this is the part for the hookup.
You're not recording, Jake.
Yeah, I am.
How come red light's on?
It is, that's what it means.
Huh?
That's what it means when it's recording.
Oh.
Alright, here's the USB port for the PlayStation. Here is the little part to push in here at the end.
Can you help unload groceries here?
Yeah. And here we go. Buttons to turn the volume up. It's a nice little headset. And then you go, wait, what's just right here? I usually play like this, so like my headset's down on the left side. So like I'll go like this. I'll be like, alright, what's going on, guys? My name's Jake, and welcome to another trick shotting video. See, nice little headset dolly thingy right here. Is like an extension? Is like an extension on it? I think it's like an extension. Nope. Alright, I'm going to test this out later, see if it works. This is a nice little headset. I like it a lot. So, yeah. Alright, and see you guys later. Peace.